ओके विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, काल आपण डिटर्मिनंट या टॉपिकबद्दल पाहत होतो. त्याच्यामध्ये डेफिनेशन ऑफ द डिटर्मिनंट, ऑर्डर ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट, रो, कॉलम ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी पाहिल्या आहेत. अँड व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ द डिटर्मिनंट. ओके, व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ द डिटर्मिनंट, सपोज डेल्टा और डी इज इक्वल टू इन डिटर्मिनंट 2 1 0 4 -1 2 1 3 2. Values of this determinant. There are two methods. Understand here. First method is first row first element is 2. First row second element is 1. First row third element is 0. Understand here. Then delta is equal to first row first element 2 multiply by eliminating first row and first column. Then remaining part is determinant of order 2 into 2. Then values of the determinant of order 2 into 2, -1 multiply by 2, -3 multiply by 2. -1 multiply by 2 is -2 -6. Okay, -1 multiply by same first row second column, eliminate the first row and second column. 4 2 1 2, 4 multiply by 2 8, -1 multiply by 2 2, plus 0 into first positive, second negative, third positive. 0 into by eliminating first row third column, remaining part is the determinant of order 2 into 2. 4 -1 1 3. Then values of the determinant, 4 multiply by 3 12, -1 multiply by -1 -1, minus into minus plus 1. Then delta is equal to 2 into -8 -1 into 6, 8 minus 2 is 6, plus 0 into 13. Then delta is equal to 2 into -8 -16, -1 into 6 -6 plus 0, and delta is equal to minus sign are same, addition between these two, 16 plus 6 -16 minus 6 is equal to -22. Then values of the determinant of order 3 into 3, given values of the determinant is -22. Okay, this method, another same method. Okay, d is equal to 2 1 0 4 -1 2 4 -1 2 1 3 2 1 3 2. Then values of the determinant, d is equal to suppose these values. To find the values of the given determinant, another method by using a ray diagram, same as 2 4 1, first column as it is, also second column as it is, 1 -1 3, third column is 0 2 2. Okay, then first two column 2 4 1 and 1 -1 3, rearrange 2 4 1 1 -1 3. Okay, then multiplying these numbers 1 2 3, sum of the product of these three numbers 1 2 3, these three diagonals, this is a leading diagonals, means 2 -1 2, 2 -1 2 plus 1 2 1 1 2 1 plus 0 4 3, product of these three leading diagonal elements minus product of diagonal element. 1 2 लाइन लिहितोय, 2 3 means 1 -1 0, 1 -1 0 plus 1 -1 0 plus 3 2 2 3 2 2 and last 2 4 1 plus 2 4 1. Then 2 -1 2, 2 into -1 2 into 2 4 minus multiply by -1 is -4, plus 1 2 1 means 2, plus 043 means 0, minus in bracket 1 minus 1 0 means 0, plus 3 to 2 means 12 plus 4 2 4 1 means 8 means minus 4 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2 minus in bracket 12 plus 8 is 20 and minus 2 minus 20 is equal to minus 22. Delta or D is equal to minus 22. Same as both two methods are very easy. So first method is this, second method is this. This method regularly method we have to study in 10 class. This type of order of 3 into 3 determinant of order 3 into 3 values of the determinant is equal to first row first element multiply by eliminating first row first column, remaining part is determinant of order 2 into 2 and then values of this determinant. Second first positive second negative minus 1 into by eliminating first row second column 4 2 1 2 this is the remaining part is the determinant of order 2 into 2 then values of this determinant. First positive second negative third again positive then solve this. Both two methods are easy. दोन्ही मेथड एकदम सोपे आहेत. कुठलीही मेथड केला तरी तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम हे करता येते. सुरुवात आपल्याला तुम्हाला केल्यामुळे हे सोपं वाटतंय. हे नवीन आहे पण हे पण एकदम सोपं आहे. दोन्ही मेथड सोपे आहेत आणि काळजीपूर्वक करण्यासाठी व्यवस्थित करता येईल. हे थोडं नवीन असल्यानं जरा वेगळं वाटेल. समजलं असेल तर हे पुढे कंटिन्यू करा नाहीतर ह्याच मेथडनं आपण कंटिन्यू करू. ओके देन means values of the determinant of order 3 into 3 values of the determinant of order 2 into 2 then in the determinant topic only 3 articles. Number 1 properties of determinant first article, number 2 consistency of equations and number 3 to find the values of x, y, z by using Cramer's rule. Only 3 articles. Then first article, suppose D is equal to these values, D values of the determinant. Then properties of the determinant. Properties of the determinant. Properties of the determinant. There are 6 property of the determinant. First property. First property. Okay. First property. For example, suppose the D is equal to these values. D is equal to first property. पहिल्यांदा एक्झाम्पल सांगतो. एक्झाम्पल सांगून कन्क्लुजन काढू. कन्क्लुजन काढल्यानंतर आपल्याला हे करता येईल. स्टेटमेंट लिहिता येईल. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द डिटर्मिनंट. D इज इक्वल टू 142 minus 101 2 3 minus 1. Okay, values of the to find the values of the determinant. In this 142 these 3 elements written in horizontal line, this is called as first row, this is called as first row, this is called as second row and this is called as third row. This is a first column, this is a second column and this is a third column. A first column, second column, third column. First to find the values of the given determinant by using any two methods, any first method or second method. Then first method D is equal to 1 multiply by eliminating first row and first column. This is first row and first column. Remaining part is determinant of order 2 into 2. 0 minus 1 0 minus 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 into 1 1 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into minus 1 3 minus 0. Okay, D is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 3. D is equal to minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 4 plus 2 minus 3 minus 6. D is equal to minus 3 minus 2 and D is equal to minus 5. Values of the given determinant is equal to minus 5. Another example, D is equal to, suppose this is called D1 and D2 is equal to 142 minus 101 minus 101 2 3 minus 1 2, 3, minus 1. Then D2 is equal to, solve this, find the values of given second determinant D2. D2 is equal to, first row first element is 1. First row first element is 1. By eliminating first row and first column. 0, 3, 1, minus 1. This is determinant of order 2 into 2. And we have to study it in 10th class. Find the values of determinant of order 2 into 2. 0 minus 1 minus 0 minus 3 into 1, 3. Minus up minus 1. Formula minus and say first row second element is minus 1 into, by eliminating first row second column, 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 into 2 minus 6, okay, plus 2 into 4 multiplied by 1 4 minus 0. Then D2 is equal to 1 into minus 3 minus plus 1 into minus 10 plus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 3 minus 10 plus 6, 8 plus 8 is equal to minus 3 minus 10 minus 13 plus 8 is equal to minus 5. D2 is equal to minus 5. Both two example, we see here both two example. What is the conclusion? Values of delta D1 is equal to minus, D1 is equal to minus 5 and D2 is equal to also minus 5. In this both two determinants, in this determinant of order 3 into 3, also this is determinant of order 3 into 3. This is a first row, this is a second row, this is a third row, this is a first column, this is a second column, this is a third column. Understand here, both two example, D1 is equal to minus 5 and D2 is equal to also minus 5. Both two example, in this first example, 1 4 2 minus 1 0 1 and 2 3 minus 1. In this example, second example, these row are converted into column. 1 4 2 are converted into column. First row are converted into first column. Second row are converted into second column. Third row are converted into third column. म्हणजे ह्याच्यावरून आपल्याला असं सिद्ध होणार आहे की दोन्ही डिटरमिनंट पाहिल्यानंतर पहिल्या डिटरमिनंटमधले सर्व एलिमेंट दुसऱ्या डिटरमिनंटमध्ये आहेत, पण कशा पद्धतीने आहेत? पहिल्या डिटरमिनंटमधले रो हे दुसऱ्या डिटरमिनंटमध्ये कॉलममध्ये कन्वर्ट झालेत. रो आर कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम. अंडरस्टँड हिअर. देन मग काय होईल? हे दोन्हीचेही व्हॅल्यू जर काढलं तर डिटरमिनंटची व्हॅल्यूज कशी असणार आहे? इक्वल असणार आहे. मग ह्याच्यावरून काय कन्क्लुजन निघेल? कन्क्लुजन मीन्स स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. व्हॉट इज द कन्क्लुजन ऑफ गिवन टू एक्झाम्पल्स? What is the conclusion of given two example? Indeterminate by interchanging indeterminate ह्या determinant मध्ये by interchanging rows and column, ह्याच्या rows एकदा column मध्ये convert केले by interchanging rows and column, then the values of given determinant remains constant. This is the statement of first property. Statement of first property. स्टेटमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. काय म्हणते फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टीचं? इनडिटर्मिनंट बाय इंटरचेंजिंग रोज अँड कॉलम. इनडिटर्मिनंट बाय इंटरचेंजिंग रोज अँड कॉलम. By interchanging rows and column, then the values of given determinant remains constant. Remains constant means फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट, दिलेल्या डिटर्मिनंटमधले रोज आणि कॉलम जर इंटरचेंज केले, हे रो आर कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम, देअरफॉर रोज आर कन्वर्ट इनटू कॉलम, देन द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ गिवन डिटर्मिनंट रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट. व्हॉट इज द प्रूफ ऑफ गिवन व्हॉट इज द प्रूफ ऑफ द दिस फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी? व्हॉट इज प्रूफ? सपोज first property proof. Let D1 is equal to A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. Understand here? A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 A3 B3 C3. Then values of the determinant D1 is equal to A1 into B2 C2 B3 C3 minus B1 into A2 C2 A3 C3 plus C1 into A2 B2 B2 A3 B3 then D1 is equal to A1 into B2. So I'll find the values of given determinant of order 2 into 2 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 into A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 into A2 B3 minus A3 B2. Okay, D1 is equal to A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 ऑर्डर काय ठेवायचे आहे ए बी सी 1 2 3 कोणते का असेनात. ओके, तसंच इथं मायनस B1 मल्टिप्लाय बाय A2 B1 C3 मायनस इंटू मायनस प्लस A3 B1 C2 प्लस A2 B3 C1 मायनस A3 B2 C1. Okay, this is the first equation number first. Interchange rows and column. D2 interchange rows and column. मग D2 is equal to सांगा D2 A1 B1 C1. This is the first row are converted into first column means A1 B1 C1. Second row, this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. Second row A2 B2 C2. In this determinant rows and column interchange. A2 B2 C2 are converted into column A2 B2 C2. A2 B2 C2 and third A3 B3 C3. Okay, again solve the determinant of values of the determinant. D2 is equal to A1 D2 is equal to A1 multiply by eliminating this and this B2 B3 C2 C3 minus A2 into B1 B3 C1 C3 plus A3 into B1 B2 C1 C2 B1 B2 C1 C2. Okay, then solve this. D2 is equal to A1 multiply by B2 C3 minus B3 C2 B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus A2 multiply by B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3 multiply by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 multiply this. D2 is equal to A1 B2 C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus A2 B1 C3 minus plus A2 B3 C1 plus A3 B1 C2 minus A3 B2 C1. Okay, then these two values A1 B2 C3 आहे. Second A1 B3 C2 okay minus A2 B1 C3 plus A3 B1 C2 A3B1C2 हे इंटरचेंज करू, हे अगोदर घेऊ, हे नंतर घेऊ. म्हणजे D2 इज इक्वल टू A1B2C3 मायनस A1B3C2 मायनस A2B1C3 प्लस हे घेऊ अगोदर, हे A3B1C2 मायनस प्लस A2B3C1 आहे ॲज इट इज A2B3C1 मायनस A3B2C1. This is the second. Understand here, from equation first and second, D1 is equal to D2. Understand here, what is the conclusion of given example? Okay, what is the proof of this example? This is the statement: in determinant, by interchanging rows and column, then the values of determinant remains constant. Okay, values of this first determinant D1, interchange rows and column, this determinant, both two values are equal, same. Okay, this is the first property of determinant. Second property of determinant, this is the first property, second property of the determinant. Second property, what is the second property? Second property, what is the second property? First example, what is the second property of the determinant? Example, suppose D1 is equal to, anyway, D1 is equal to 2 1 3 0 2 minus 4 1 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the D1. Values of the determinant, solve this, we have to study it in 10th class. D1 is equal to 2 into, डायरेक्ट लिहितो आता मी, 2 into 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 multiplied by minus 4 minus 8 minus minus plus 8 minus 1 into 0 plus 4 plus 3 into 0 minus 2 D1 is equal to 2 into 6 minus 1 into 4 plus 3 into minus 2. D1 is equal to 12 minus 4 minus 6. D1 is equal to 12 minus 8. 12 minus 10, and D1 is equal to 2. Understand here, values of the determinant is equal to 2. In this determinant, second property, another example here, D2 is equal to, me interchange only two rows, R1 interchange R2, means in this determinant interchange any two rows. Okay, interchange any two rows. New determinant is D2 is equal to interchange R1 and R2, ह्या दोघाला इंटरचेंज करायचं आहे. दिस इज अ फर्स्ट रो R1, दिस इज अ सेकंड रो R2, दिस इज अ थर्ड रो R3. R1 interchange R2, 2 1 3 are converted into first row are converted into second are converted into first, means first row 0 2 minus 4 2 1 3 1 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1. Then find the values of the given determinant. D2 is equal to 0 into काही असेल तर कॅन्सल. ओके, 0च असणार आहे. मायनस, तरी लिहू minus 1 minus 6. ओके, minus 2 into first second minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 1 4 minus 1. Then D2 is equal to 0 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 4 into 3. D2 is equal to 0 minus plus 10 minus 12, and D2 is equal to minus 2. In this D1 d1 is equal to 2, d2 is equal to -2. In this example r1 interchange r2 मीन्स फर्स्ट 2 रो इंटरचेंज केले मी. आता सेकंड 2 रो इंटरचेंज करू. दुसरं एक्झाम्पल, ह्याच एक्झाम्पलमध्ये सेकंड 2 रो इंटरचेंज, सेकंड 2 रोज आर इंटरचेंज. Second 2 rows are interchange means R2 interchange R3. म्हणजे काय चेंज व्हायला लागलंय पाहू. D3 is equal to काय होईल. D3 is equal to R2 आणि R3 चेंज करायचे आहे. म्हणजे R1 IGT असेल 2 1 3, हे 2 1 3. R2 आणि R3 इंटरचेंज असं असणार आहे. त्याला असं लिहिणार आहे मी 1 2 -1 1 2 -1 0 2 -4 0 2 -4. Okay, then solve these values of the determinant. D3 is equal to 2 multiply by -8 plus 2 -8 plus 2 -1 multiply काहीतरी गडबड होते. 2 multiply by -8 plus 2 बरोबर आहे बेटा. -1 multiply by -4 plus 0 -4 plus 0 plus 3 multiply by 2 minus 0 2 minus 0 means D3 is equal to 2 into -6 -1 -4 plus 3 into 2. D3 is equal to -12 plus 4 plus 6. D3 is equal to -12 plus 10. D3 is equal to -2. Okay, means D1 is equal to this. D1 is equal to 2. ह्याच्यामध्ये इंटरचेंज केलं आपण दुसरा आणि तिसरा. D3 is equal to -2. ह्याच्यामध्ये इंटरचेंज केला पहिला आणि दुसरा. D2 is equal to -2. म्हणजे काय घडायला लागलंय, कुठल्याही ह्या डिटर्मिनंटमधले कोणतेही दोन रो जर इंटरचेंज केलं तर व्हॅल्यूज काय चेंज होते, फक्त साइन चेंज होते. ओके, कंटिन्यू करतो थोडं, बरकट कर. हां, इन दिस 3 एक्झाम्पल्स D1 इंटरचेंज फर्स्ट रो अँड सेकंड रो बाय चेंज इन साइन ओनली. D3 in first determinant interchange second row and third row by values of the given determinant change only sign. ओके, मीन्स रो चेंज करून पाहिले. आता कॉलम चेंज करून पाहतोय. कॉलम C1 इंटरचेंज C3, C1 इंटरचेंज C2. ओके, C1 इंटरचेंज C2. मग D4 इज इक्वल टू, ओके, D4 इज इक्वल टू हे करायचे आपल्याला. ह्याचे C1 आणि C2 ह्या दोन्हीला इंटरचेंज करतोय. 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 0 1 2 0 1 3 -4 3 -4 -1. Then D4 is equal to 1 multiply by same as values of the determinant 0 plus 4 minus 2 into -2 plus 8 plus 3 into 2 minus 0 and is equal to 1 into 4 minus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 2 कायला is equal to 4 minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 10 minus 12 and D4 is equal to -2. Okay, means first 2 example interchange row, third example interchange column. Understand here, what is the conclusion of all these 4 examples? This is the first example, this is the second example, this is the third example, and this is the fourth example. All these 4 example, what is the conclusion of the given determinant? And this conclusion is the statement of second property. What is the conclusion? In determinant any 2 rows or 2 columns, in this determinant 2 row, in this determinant 2 row interchange, in this determinant 2 columns are interchanged, means in determinant any 2 rows or 2 columns are interchanged, then the values of given determinant change only sign. इथं 2 होतं, इथं -2 आलं. ह्याच ह्याच्यात केलो आपण. इथं 2 होतं, इथं -2 आलं. इथं ह्याची व्हॅल्यूज इथं 2 होती, इथं -2 आल्या. म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द प्रॉपर्टीज, द सेकंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द statement of second property? In determinant any 2 rows or 2 columns are interchanged, then the values of given determinant change only sign. Okay, statement. Indeterminate by interchanging any two row or two column, then the values of given determinant change only sign. ओके, ठीक. किती मिनिट झालं?